Here we are, 9.2, simplifying radicals. Here we have the square root of 48. We know that we can simplify, and I like doing these little arrow things on the bottom. And this, I know that the two numbers multiplied together that make 48 are 16 and 16 and let me think about this. 16 and 3. I don't know why I'm having a little hard time right now. 16.3. This still means the square root of 16 times 3. I know that 16 is a perfect square, and a perfect square is 4 times 4. And if I have a perfect square, I could move one of the numbers outside of this, which will give me 4 square root of 3. And that is the simplest form of this 48, the square root of 48. Let's go to the next one, where is the square root of 7 divided by 16. This could be rewritten as 7 divided by 16, which could also be written as the square root of 7 divided by the square root of 16, which in this case... Okay, and then at this point, you know that 16 is a perfect square, which is 4 times 4. So this becomes square root of 7, which has no square root or square to it, and over 4. And we can leave that one alone. And now the last of these examples is square root of 18 divided by 3. So we know that 18 has a perfect square in it because we know that 9 times 2 is equal to 18 over 3. The perfect square of 9 is 3, which now we move the 3 on the outside of the square root side. The square root of 2 divided by 3. And then, interestingly enough, 3 divided by 3 is 1, which this gives me the answer of square root of 2. And that's my final answer on those. These are the easiest ones to do. Let's try to get some more complicated ones now. Okay, and here's this next problem, number 4. You can never get two numbers multiplied together that'll give you that'll give you a negative number. Because let's say negative 9 times negative 9 is equal to positive 81. Right? So and 9 times 9 is equal to 81. So in this case, this answer here is called undefined. The little trick that you need to know is that, of course, the square root of 100 is 10 times 10, or equals to 10. The question is, isn't it not also true that 10 times 10 is equal to 100? That's true. Negative 10 times negative 10 is equal to, 100. So the answer to this case, whenever you have square root with a perfect square underneath it, it's plus or minus that answer. This is what trips up a lot of students because they don't give me both the plus or minus answer on this.